Introduction. Meena's family were on holiday in Chennai. They ate idli, dosa, sambar and rice over there. It was very tasty. Meena asked her mom why her mother could not prepare these dishes in Kashmir. This is what her mother replies. In this lesson, you will learn about food we eat, sources of food, healthy and unhealthy food. Objectives. At the end of this lesson, you will be able to know and appreciate the cultural diversity in food. Sources of food, plant and animal sources. Healthy and unhealthy food. Know good food habits. Food we eat. Food gives us energy to work and play. It tastes good and makes us feel better when we are hungry. The food we eat differs according to the place and climate we live in. The food we eat contains carbohydrates, proteins, fats, vitamins, and other nutrients. We should eat a balanced diet that contains all nutrients in the right proportion. Sources of food. The food we eat comes from plants and animals. We get egg, meat, and milk from animals. We get honey, oil, fruits, vegetables, cereals, pulses from plants. Healthy and unhealthy food. Healthy food contains all the vital vitamins and minerals. It helps our body to stay healthy and function properly. These food include pulses, fruits, nuts, wheat, rice, etc. On the other hand, junk food or unhealthy food has only one thing in it: taste. It is rich in calories, fats, and preservatives. We should avoid junk food. These include noodles, burger, pizza, etc. These are harmful to our health. Good food habits. The following are the good food habits. Always eat clean and covered food. Chew the food very well. Always wash your hands before and after meal. Do not waste food. Do not overeat. Eat your meals at the right time. Drink 8 to 10 glasses of water in a day.
Summary.
Let us summarize what we have learned. Food is essential for our survival. It gives us energy to work and play. The food we eat comes from plants and animals. The food we eat contains carbohydrates, proteins, vitamins, minerals, and the other nutrients. We should eat healthy food and avoid unhealthy food. We should follow good food habits.
Now a question may arise that how do we get energy by eating food, and why food is known as fuel for our body? Friends, food has 5 basic components in it. These are carbohydrates, proteins, fats, vitamins, and minerals. All these components together are called as nutrients. A body digests food and absorbs these nutrients to provide energy. Some nutrients help us fight against diseases. Do you know this fact that each food item contains all nutrients in different amount and each nutrient plays a different role in the body? Let us know about these nutrients one by one in detail. First, carbohydrates. Carbohydrates form an essential structural component of living cells. They are the main source of energy for animals. Carbohydrates include sugars, starch, fiber, etc. They are mainly found in wheat, rice, potatoes, corn, and maize. You might have noticed that some children who do not drink milk become weak and are underdeveloped because milk contains required proteins for our growth. Meat, fishes, eggs, pulses, cheese, and soybean are some other important sources of proteins in our diet. The major role of proteins is building and repairing of damaged tissues. Along with carbohydrates, they are also a source of energy. I know that you all love pizza, burger, cheese, etc., but your parents do not allow you to eat them regularly because such foods contain large amounts of fat. Fats supply us with energy. If we don't use up this energy, our bodies build up a store for future use as in form of body fat. This is the reason why people eating much oily food become obese. Ghee, oil, butter, cheese and milk are some main sources of fats. Friends, when you get ill and go to the doctor, then he advises you to take some fruits with light food because many of our body processes require vitamins present in fruits and vegetables. They are required in very small amount. Here is a list of vitamins, their sources, and their roles. You might have seen many advertisements of mineral-rich food items. Now let's know why they are so important. Actually, plants need minerals for growth. Besides this, a body also requires minerals in small quantities for all the chemical processes. Potassium, calcium, iron, etc. are some common examples of these minerals. Let us know more about the sources and the role of these minerals using the next table. After knowing about the balanced diet, we should also know that if we don't take proper diet, then what will be the problems? I hope that you might have heard about deficiency diseases. These are the diseases that occur due to lack of nutrients over a long period and hence called deficiency diseases. Here is a list of some of the deficiency diseases and their symptoms.
Vitamins, their sources, and deficiency diseases. Vitamin A is soluble in oils and fats, but insoluble in water. It is essential for growth and vision. Vitamin B1 is soluble in water and destroyed by heat. Vitamin B2 is soluble in water. It is stable to heat and destroyed by light. Deficiency of vitamin B6 causes nervous disturbances and convulsions. Vitamin B12 is soluble in water and also contains cobalt. It is red crystalline in nature. Vitamin C is soluble in water. It is destroyed by cooking and exposure to air. It maintains healthy skin and helps in development of body resistance against diseases. Vitamin D is soluble in fats and oils, but insoluble in water. It is stable towards heat and oxidation. Vitamin E is soluble in fats and oils, but insoluble in water. It is stable to heat and oxidation. Vitamin H is neither soluble in fat nor in water. Vitamin K is soluble in fats but insoluble in water. It is stable to heat and oxidation.
Dear friends, do you know that besides nutrients, dietary fiber also play an important role in our body? They are usually known as roughage. You need to know that roughage does not provide any nutrition to our body, but adds bulk. They are found only in plants. Pulses, potato, fresh fruits and vegetables as the main sources of roughage. This helps our body to get rid of the undigested food. Now let us know about water, which is also an important constituent of our food. Our body gets most of the water in the form of liquid. In addition, we also add water while cooking the food. Water helps our body to absorb nutrients from the food. It is also helpful in throwing out some wastes from body as urine and sweat. As we know that all kinds of foods do not contain all the components. Our meals should have a balance of the different nutrients that our body needs for growing and maintaining good health. Such a diet is called a balanced diet. In other words, we can say that a balanced diet includes all the nutrients that our body requires in proper quantities. So we should accept the fact that having a balanced diet is the best way to live a healthy life.
Where food comes from. Let us now discuss that where from we get the various food items to eat. Most of the food we get from plants like vegetables, fruits, wheat flour, rice, dal, cornflakes, bread, vegetable oil, etc. Some of food we also get from animals like milk, curd, butter, ghee, eggs, etc. We also get fish, prawn, chicken, beef, pork, etc. from animals.